All right, today we're going to work on combining like terms. So here we have a long list of numbers. We're going to combine it until we have less numbers and coefficients and variables. So I'm going to separate them in between each sign. This will help us look individually. So I'm going to look at all my A's. So I have negative 5A, I have a 3A, a regular A, and then a minus A. So I'm going to combine all my A's together. So negative 5 plus 3, this is going to be a 1A. This is going to be a minus 1A. And this is going to give me a negative 2A. Next, look at my B's. So I've got negative 4B and a plus 6B. So I'm going to combine those together, which is going to give me 2B, a plus 2B. And then I'm going to take what is left, which is going to be negative 2, negative 12, and 1, and combine those together. So negative 2, negative 12, and a positive 1 is going to give me a negative 13. So my new total answer is negative 2A plus 2B minus 13. So instead of having this long list of about 10 different things, we now have 3 answers only. So let's look at a few more problems. So I'm going to start off with my W's combining. We always combine and take this sign in front. So negative 5W and plus negative 2W is going to give me negative 3W. And then we're going to take my constant. So 3 plus 12 minus 3 is going to give me a positive 12. So my new answer is negative 3W plus 12. All right, example 2. This one has a lot of exponents and j's. We start with the highest exponent. So we're going to start off with 3. There's only one of those, so we're going to write that one down. So negative 5j with a power of 3. Then we're going to take our negative j's with a 2, or j squares. So this one has a negative 2. This is a 1. Negative 1 plus 2, or negative 2 plus 1 is going to give me negative 1j, 2. Then I need to combine my regular j's, so negative 4j and then a negative 1j make negative 5j. And then last is to write down my 7, and that's going to be a plus 7. So I now have negative 5j3 minus negative 1j squared minus 5j plus 7. On this last one, we do have some distributed property we're going to have to do first before we can combine. So we're going to distribute 4 to x, which is 4x. Distribute 4 to minus 3, which is minus 12, plus this x is not with the parentheses, so it's going to be written down. This one, we're going to distribute a negative 1 all the way across. So negative 1 to 3 is negative 3x. Negative 1 to plus 7 is going to be a negative 7. Now we can combine. So we're going to combine our x's. So 4x plus x minus 3x. So that x, again, is just a 1x. So 4 plus 1 is 5, minus 3x is 2x. And then I have negative 7 and negative 12, and that combined is going to be negative 19.